Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Jill and this is Jill Comfort Zone. Today we are about to fry some delicious porgies and whitings. Alright, so let's get into the video and the ingredients you will be needing for this crispy fried fish.
Where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on a island. It's about time we're making up. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you for said I didn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you weren't you. So come close, won't you? Won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? With you having it place on nothing. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than words. With you having it place on nothing. Take you there.
Okay guys, so grab some of your favorite seasoning. Here's mine. We got some fresh ground black pepper, medley. We got some Creole seasoning, some garlic and onion powder, complete seasoning, paprika, and that red hot sauce. So let's get into it. Let's season these babies up. So I have a whole lot of fish that I did bring back from New York City. If you haven't checked out my New York City video of me vlogging, visiting back home, go ahead and check it out. I will put it somewhere in here that you can mark for later to watch. Okay, I had a good old time. So we're just gonna go ahead and generously season up our fish. Okay, so I am applying all of the seasonings that you saw beforehand earlier in the video, and we're just going to season both sides, and then I'm gonna place it in a baggie and let it marinate probably for like 30 minutes or so, not too much. Okay, and you'll also need just a little bit of flour and some finely grated cornmeal, okay, because that is going to be our batter. Okay, well, not a batter, because it's not consisted of batter but the breading of the fish, so say, you know what I mean. And so yeah, and please don't use so much flour. I don't know, to your liking. It tastes too much doughy. I want that taste of that fish. Okay, I want that fish to taste like fish. Okay, because we're not frying chicken here, y'all. Okay, we're not frying chicken. We are getting some lovely crispy fish. As you can see, my grease is nice and hot. And so this is going to be some delicious crispy fish. Okay, I was about to say chicken. I hope you guys are having a blessed day, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you don't mind, click up that like button for me and share it out. I would truly appreciate it. Thank you so much. I appreciate you for watching my other videos, and welcome to all of my new subbies. Welcome to Jill's Comfort Zone. As you can see, I switched pans and changed the oil because it was getting too messy for me. I was frying a lot of fish once again, y'all. So yeah, and then baby, when I tell you this fish was so crispy and delicious, ain't nothing like some good old delicious fried porgies with that crisp outside and juicy tender meat inside. Look at that, golden brown, baby. There you have it. Some crispy fried fish, baby. Perfect. Just perfect. Okay? And you don't need to season the cornmeal and flour mixture because this fish is seasoned to the T, baby. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And as I always say, I love you. Stay blessed and peace out. Later.